Here we have a mongoose schema definition for a website. Let's go ahead and create a model out of this schema. So in the same directory where we are declaring the schema, right, we're going to declare a separate file called website model server. So let's do that in a JavaScript website model server. Okay, so in there, let's load the mongoose library. So that's going to be var mongoose. It's going to be require mongoose. There it is. We're also going to require the schema file we just created 2 seconds ago, right? So that'd be the user schema. We're going to require there it is, the schema. Now that we have the schema, we can create the instance of the model, right? So this will be oh, not user, sorry. This will be website schema, and this will be website model. Will be mongoose model, and then this will be we're going to call it graduate website model, right? Out of the website schema. There it is. Okay, so we have the model, right? And so we like to export it so that others can use our model. So we can export it by saying we can say module.exports equal a website website model. Okay, and we would tie to this instance of the model. We would tie all the API that we want to expose to the rest of the world. Okay, so one of the first things we might want to do is be able to retrieve, right, all the websites, right? So for instance, here we have logged in as Andrew. And when we go to websites, we would like to list all the websites that are listed here, right? And for now, notice that Andrew doesn't have any websites, right? So let's that query is coming back from this request, and it's coming back as empty, right? As empty array. But it's coming back from a mocked list of websites. What we would like to be able to do is return it from the database. Yes. So to do that, we would have several APIs that will allow us to interact with this. Let's create just one of them, right? We can say model website model. Find all websites, implemented in a function such as this, right? And the implementation would be implemented way down here. It takes no arguments because I literally want all the websites. Yes, and this would be implemented as what? Let's see. We would say something like website model dot find. That would return all of them, right? That returns all the websites, and we would return this as a promise, right, of this data for someone who wants to query it. And we would implement all the other functions, right, that would allow you to interact with this data model, like create websites, deleted websites, updated websites. They will all be hosted here. This is just one of them. Find all websites. Okay, and we'll implement each one of these as we need to. Okay.